Hello, family. Today I'm just going to make classic tuna noodle casserole. It's retro. Come join me. Okay, we're going to put this together. I got 4 cans of tuna, and I've got bow ties. Usually this casserole uses like different kind of noodles. Why I can't think of what they are right now. Like egg noodles. Here, I'm going to add 4 cans of tuna because I like tuna, and 1 can certainly wouldn't do it. Neither would 2. So, all right, I'm going to put some good old cream of mushroom soup in it. There you go. And I'm thinking I'm going to have 2 cans. Everything is so small now. Crazy. I'm taking a vacation. Doctor ordered, basically. She told me I needed to rest and relax. But I'm going to have to go back for 6 months, so that's good. Been under a lot of stress lately. That doesn't help. And getting used to a new work schedule. I had leftover whipping cream, so I'm just going to add that. It'll just make it creamier. Yeah, apparently my body likes to make a lot of red blood cells. And my red blood cells are larger than most people's. So she's watching over that. She said it was not bad. It's a little high, but not severe. It's not nothing to be concerned about. So. So, yeah, we just keep going. That's what you do. You just keep going. I'm going to add some frozen peas. Maybe a little more. There isn't that much left. Okay, well, the whole package. All right. I'm going to add some cheddar cheese to that. Just a little bit because I want to put some on the top too. I got the oven on 375. Okay, I'm going to add some milk. So yeah, she said, you must be tired. She said, the blood cells doing that, it makes you tired. I said, yeah, I'm tired, but I don't sleep very good. The last couple of weeks, I've only been getting 4 to 5 hours of sleep a night. Drains you. But I told her, I said, I'm just a get her done kind of person. Doesn't matter if I'm tired or not, I just keep going. Things got to get done. A little bit more milk. There we go. All right, I'm going to get a pan to put this in. I'm going to use my trusty cake pan that a lot of good things have been made of in. Here, baby girl. Want to mix a bowl? There's tuna in there. She loves tuna. Sometimes I swear she's a cat. Okay. I'm going to put a little more cheese on top of it. There we go. That's good stuff. I like that, huh? You don't have to have it if you want. Now I'm going to put some crushed potato chips on it. See, the sun's out now. It's not cloudy anymore. You don't have to worry about a storm coming. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven for, I don't know, 20 minutes maybe? And we'll see you then. Look at that yummies. I mean, look at that goodness. Yes. First bite. Yummy. Get some pasta in here too. There you go. Let's try it. It's so good. And the extra crunch of the chips. Oh, yeah. Really good. Thanks for joining me today. And we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.